Hello friends, in advanced web designing we are learning CSS. In that our today's topic is positioning in CSS. There are four types of positionings. First is static, second is fixed positioning, third is relative positioning, and fourth one is absolute positioning. We will see its example one by one. First, one point is to clear here that static positioning is by default. We don't have to set it in the program. If we don't set any positioning in CSS, then that is your static positioning. That's why we are not going to learn any specific program about static positioning, but by default positioning of the CSS is static. So you have to remember that there is a positioning by default named as static positioning. So let's see what is fixed positioning. We will see program. Let's see. This is the program I have made for fixed positioning. I have made class here p.fixed and I have given the property position here. To positioning we are using property position and its value is fixed here. So I am setting its top 50 pixel, right 5 pixels and color blue, and see what happened. In this first paragraph I am not importing this class to this paragraph, and in this second paragraph also I am not importing the class that is I have specified over here, but in the fourth paragraph I am giving the class name fixed. So let's see what is the difference of this normal paragraph tag and this is fixed position tag. Let's see. We will run the program. See, these three paragraphs can be seen normally, and this is fixed position. That's why it is looking at the corner of right edge of your screen. So it is a 50 pixels ahead from your top and right at your screen. So its alignment is at right and the 50 pixels from the top. I have zoomed it to make you view clear. So this is fixed positioning. So you can fixed position any text like this by giving name position fixed. And our next point is what? Relative positioning and absolute positioning. So we will see relative positioning and absolute positioning in next lecture. Thank you so much.